Hi everyone, welcome to Claudolls, welcome to my channel. This time I'm working on a project and I'm using Brat. She's amazing, but I want to see more movement and more delicacy. I'm going to let you see how you can change, how you can make a small modification on your doll without too much work. Okay, dus come with me. Bye. Okay, you need two things. In this case, three things. You need a scissor, you need boiling water that I'm using it, and you need ice cold water so you can see it. Let's get started. You're going to put the arm, you see that, yeah, doesn't have any movement. You're going to put him under the hot water, like this, see? And then it becomes more flexible and you put him directly on the ice water. You see how it starts to change? Let's continue. You have to do this like 2 or 3 times. You can do it until you're satisfied. You see how it changed? I'll give it more movement. Now I want to change the hand also. You see that the hand doesn't have, yeah, it's not delicate. So I'm gonna cut it here between the fingers, really careful, so that you don't cut any finger out. And then you put it under the water. Also, you give it a little bit of change. Be careful, don't burn yourself. And directly on the ice. You see the change? I'm going to focus on your hand so that you can see it better. You see the change of her hand? You see it? She looks beautiful. That's how you can change a doll without a lot of effort. Okay? Bye!